So if you've never dyed your hair before, there's a lot of products on the market. It's actually really, really simple. I was a bit nervous the first time. We just use the Just for Men here at Hero for Hire. For my particular hair, the dark brown works best. Black was a bit too heavy. Dark brown is a shade darker. Usually, you know, for realism, you want to go a shade lighter. But for photography and for the look that we're going for, and the comic booky accuracy of the beard, the darker actually works a little bit better. And when you open up your package, there's going to be a plastic tray, a little brush, and there's also going to be two tubes. There's the color developer and the color base. And all you're going to want to do is, in the tray, just put an equal amount of both. And for your first application, you might not want to leave it in for too long. I've already got a better sense because I've done it before, so I have a rough idea of how long I want to leave this in for. And then you take your little brush that comes with. I just take the extra off of it and just follow the natural hairline. Don't be afraid to get a fair bit on there. You're not going to see much color at first. And then it's very slowly going to start turning into looking like as if you put on grease paint until you get into the shower. Now you're going to want to be ready to jump in the shower and get this thing off when you're ready to stop the hair dye from darkening, because it keeps darkening the longer it's on. Okay, so now a quick shower and shampoo, get rid of all the extra dye, and then when I come back out, you'll see the finished product. And here's the final product. You can see that once the dye actually comes out, it's a lot more natural looking. You can see there's still, you know, a few gray hairs left in there. There's still a little bit of the lightness showing through, some dark hairs, some lighter hairs, but that's actually making it look a lot more natural. Just a little bit of patience, and in my case, a lot of hair dye. And you have the Tony Stark beard. So and all you need now is a pair of ridiculous glasses and a chest that lights up, and you're ready to rock.